Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a shareable Google Drive link for any files or folders on your drive. This is perfect for sharing documents, images, or other files with others quickly and easy. So let's get started. First, let's head over to Google Drive to locate the file or folder you want to share. Open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged in into your Google account. If you're not, just enter your Google account credentials. Once you're in Google Drive, find the files or folder you want to share. Now, let's generate the link. Right-click on the file or folder you want to share. From the drop-down menu, click Get Link. A window will pop up showing the link and the sharing settings. By default, only people with the link and the right permissions can view or edit the file. I'll show you how to adjust that next. Let's adjust the sharing permissions to control who can access your file. In the pop-up window, you'll see a section that says Restricted or anyone with the link. If it says Restricted, only specific people you invite can access the file. To change this, click on the drop-down arrow next to it and select anyone with the link to make the file accessible to anyone who has the link. You can also choose whether you want them to be able to view, comment, or edit the file. After setting the permissions, click Copy Link. You now have the shareable link on your clipboard. Now that you have the link, let's share it. You can pass the link into an email, a chat message, or any other platform. Just right-click in the message box and select Pass or press Ctrl+V. Whoever receives the link will now be able to access the file according to the permission you set. And there you have it. You now know how to get a shareable Google Drive link. It's a super easy way to share files with anyone. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.